Okay, everybody, so welcome back. This is Ian from Mindful Marketplace, and welcome back to A Tiny Revolution. This is our brand new publishing platform and learning community for authors, artists, teachers, trainers, coaches, consultants, really anybody who wants to make an oversized impact through tiny products in 2022 and beyond. All right, so I want to show you really quickly a super simple way to mint your first NFT in literally 5 minutes. I just minted this one here, which is a unique NFT that, again, I'm recording this on the 8th of September, 2022. I literally just minted this about 4:30 on Thursday, and it took me the better part of 5 minutes. And in the next clip that you're going to see, which is a silent sort of walkthrough of me actually doing the minting experience on another computer, but I wanted to just record a short little intro so you actually can see how easy this is. This is actually the NFT that I minted, so you can see it. It is, you'll see everything that I did, including adding the benefits or the sort of the access that folks get when they buy this. So, I mean, my approach to NFTs is, and again, I'm a dummy. I want to make that very clear when I say my approach to NFTs. Like, I'm certainly not an NFT genius, but one of the things that I do understand about, kind of creating incentives for folks to be interested in buying something are the benefits that come with, the buy, right, the purchase. And in this case, I created a collection called Inner Space, this is a collection that kind of celebrates the sort of inner experience, psychedelics, meditation, mindfulness, self-transcendence through art and entrepreneurship. And there's a community behind this as well, that part of our Mindful Marketplace community, where folks are interested in meditation and sort of self-exploration, personal growth, spiritual development, etc., etc. So this whole um, as you can see here, our Inner Space collections features art and inspiration at the intersection of mindfulness, mental health, magic, psychedelics, and self-transcendence. We created this exclusive series for the inner peacemakers, the cosmic consciousness connoisseurs, the ethereal explorers, the meta mercenaries, meta being the meditation, loving kindness meditation technique, the trippy hippies, the spiritual seekers, the inspirational authors, and the enlightened entrepreneurs. And essentially, this is just a fun kind of way to cultivate a community around people with a shared interest. In this case, again, mindfulness, meditation, sort of psychedelics, and exploring the kind of magic and mystery of life itself in a fun and cool way, right? Through these kind of artistic renditions of various. This is Terrence McKenna. This is Jerry Garcia from the Grateful Dead. This is obviously this is Francis, a non-fungible fungi, a member of our non-fungible fungi family, which is just a lighthearted take. And we created 15 of these. All these are going to drop the same way. Anyway, I'm saying too much, but if you're interested in watching exactly step by step how easy this is to do using Uncut FM, which is the tool that I'm actually using to facilitate this, and it's free to actually mint using the platform. I don't believe you can sign up for that without some sort of referral or recommendation. But if you're interested in trying this process out for yourself, send me an email, mindfulmarketplace@gmail.com, and I'll see if I can make a referral so that you can actually join the beta. If you're interested in actually doing this with us in our community, I have a course cohort. We'll be working through the whole process of not only creating NFTs, but building communities behind them, so you can actually create offers that give your audience access to either you or a whole series of extra benefits that help make the process of selling your tokens that much more compelling, right? I mean, to my eye, the most beneficial process or beneficial kind of approach to this process is, again, to use all of your tokens as a access point to the rest of your universe, and your universe being could be offers, could be web design, could be consulting, could be a community. I mean, for an example, you could give folks access to a Circle community or a Discord, obviously, community, or really any kind of immersive experience, a more intimate experience with you, your content, your coaching, your process, your products, whatever it is that you can imagine, you can do using art and tokens and NFTs. And again, this could be audio, doesn't have to be art. I could have created an audio or a video, much like the one I'm recording right now, and giving, and offer a certain amount of people, or even a single person, access to a whole universe of experiences with me, if they so desired that, from an entrepreneurial perspective. Thereafter, after buying that NFT, you can mint audios, videos, images, really anything you can imagine, you can do. And as you'll see in the next clip, which is going to follow this, intro, you'll see how quickly and easily you can do this. Again, the whole process is under 5 minutes, and I minted this particular NFT, picked a price. It's live right now on the blockchain, and it's really that simple. Teach what you know, do what you love, wake up the world with your work. I hope this has been helpful for you, and if you're interested again in working with me to actually do this process, not the NFT process, because that's really easy, as you're going to see, but actually the process of building something meaningful and memorable around each token that you create in the service of, inspiring, uplifting, and impacting other people in your ideal audience or quintessential community. Thanks so much for watching. The clip that follows will walk you through silently the process. And if you have any questions, as always, feel free to ask. Thanks.